What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Cryptologist, coming back at you with another video. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube documenting my crypto journey. Okay, now let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about SimpleSwap, which is a crypto exchange where you can exchange one crypto for another. Okay, now I'm going to exchange out some BNB Smart Chain that I have for some Litecoin. Okay, and you can exchange any type of crypto that you have, and you just go right here to where you want. It says you send whatever it is that you have, and you put the amount right here, and you will get whatever it is you want. Now, I preferably like the big three. The big three, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, because all major exchanges take those three. I really don't like to use Bitcoin and Ethereum just because of the fact that they have high gas fees. Now, Litecoin doesn't have high gas fees. Their gas fees are pretty reasonable to me. Now, if you do like Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's on you, and it's up to you whatever it is you want to exchange your crypto for. And I know you're saying to yourself, cryptologist, why would I want to exchange my crypto? Because you might have something like BNB Smart Chain, which I have, that a lot of these companies don't even take. Like I use Robinhood. Robinhood doesn't even take BNB Smart Chain, so I have to exchange my crypto for something like Litecoin, Bitcoin, or Ethereum, and send it to my Robinhood wallet. So that's what I'm gonna do. And like I say, you put whatever it is you want it to send right here. You'll get whatever it is right here, and then you go down here to press exchange. Once you do that, boom, this particular screen will pop up, and you put the Litecoin. I'm gonna put my Litecoin address, which is my Robinhood address. I'm gonna put it right in here, and boom. And then when I create the exchange, it'll come to another screen, and once that screen gets in there, it'll ask you to send whatever it is you're going to send to their exchange, to their wallet address. And that's what you do. And that's basically how it's done. And if you want to try something like this, go to the description in my video, and I have the referral link for SimpleSwap. And if you like this, like, share, and subscribe this video. And if that's what you want to do, you want any notifications, just hit me up and press the notification bell, and you'll be notified whenever I make a video. So I'll see you guys on the next video.